Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. On this channel, under the title How It's Made, we'll have tutorial videos. Today, we'll create mock-up applications in Adobe Photoshop. These will help us see how any product or item might look in our home or environment. If you're a freelancer or designer, these mock-ups can also help you present your ideas to clients. For today, we're starting with a mock-up showing how a painting would look on the wall of our room. First, we need a photo of the room taken from the angle we want. I already have a suitable photo for this. I've added it to my workspace. Now, let's create a rectangle on the wall where the painting will go. Using the Shape tool, we draw a rectangle on the wall area. It doesn't have to be perfectly aligned, but it should be neat. Then, convert this shape into a smart object from the Layers menu. Next, we press Ctrl+T to transform the shape freely. While holding down the Ctrl key, drag the corners of the rectangle with the mouse to fit it onto the wall in the photo. To fine-tune the edges, use the warp option to adjust the corners as needed. Once we're happy with the shape, we've completed this part. Now it's time to apply a painting or artwork. Download an image from the internet or use one you plan to buy. Open the Smart Object layer by double-clicking on it. Paste the painting or artwork into this space and resize it using Ctrl+T, adjusting it to fit the area. When done, close the Smart Object window using Ctrl+W and confirm saving the changes. As you can see, the painting now fits perfectly into the frame on the wall. To make it look even more realistic, go to the Layer settings and select the Darken mode. This will bring back the shadows on the wall, enhancing the realistic effect. I hope this has been helpful, friends. We'll create many more mock-up applications like this. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. If you have any questions about the steps in this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment and I'll gladly help you. Also, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in the next videos. Take care, everyone. Wishing you success in your work.